Hey TubeBuddy, so today we will learn about that how can we draw a line while using C++ graphics. So to do that we have to download some things that I have already downloaded, like graphics in C++. So after downloading that you have to copy these three stuffs and you have to paste them all where you have installed your dev C++, and after that you can do your graphic in dev C++. So basically what I'm talking about, I just said that you have to download graphics in dev C++, and after that you have to paste that three stuffs that I've told you in your dev C++ where you have installed your dev C++. After that you have to go in file and you have to in new you have to click on project. As well as you click the project, it will show you something like this dialog box, and after that you have to click on console graphics. After that you have to click on OK. So I have already created my project, and now I would like to show you that how it works. So see, I have draw a line, and similarly we have also created a window form background. So how it works and how can we do that? So for that you have to include first of all a library, or you can say header file, that is called graphics.h, and after that main function. So in main function, for creating window width and height, just like this. So now let me show you again. See, this is called window width and height. So sorry for my English. So we have created 500 width and 500 height for our window. So basically what I'm talking about, I said that if we create our window, so we have to include this built-in method or built-in command, or you can say built-in function, that is stored in graphic.h. that will help you while creating your window width and height. So basically it is called init window for creating window. After that we have included a built-in function, or you can say a built-in method, that is called line, creating line x-axis and y-axis. Now I will show you that how we can draw a line with the help of a graphic. So first of all let me tell you about this. So this is called x-axis and this is called y-axis with the starting point of the line, and these two stuff are called this is called x-axis for ending point of the line, and this is called y-axis for ending point of the line. So let me show you in graph. See here, I want to start here starting point of the line, and here ending point of the line. Now let me draw a line. So here I will draw a line. Okay, so after that we all know that each line has 2 points, starting point and ending point, and the starting point basically something like this. So let me change the color. So this is called y-axis of the line of starting point, and this is called x-axis of the line of starting point. Similarly here we have ending point of the line, and this is called x-axis of the ending point of the line, and this is called y-axis of the ending point of the line. Okay, so now we will check our starting point, x-axis and y-axis, that where x-axis lies and where y-axis lies. Similarly for ending point, but first we will check for starting point. So as you can see here, y-axis lies 200 on 200. So I will put for the first point of that line that y-axis is lie on 200. So basically here I says that y has 200 value of that line on starting point, and x-axis has I think so here we will check here. Okay, so maybe 60, I think 60 or 50, but I will put here 60. Okay, so similarly for the ending point of that line we have x-axis and y-axis, and we know that y-axis is lies on 200, see 200, and x-axis on 800. So basically we have four values. For starting point of the line, x-axis has 60 value and y-axis has 200 value. Now let me show you that how it works. So we can gauge for y something like this see 200, and x we gauge like this. So here at this point it's 60 or maybe 50, but I will put 60. Similarly y for ending point of the line is lies x-axis, so 800, see here 800 x-axis, and y-axis lies 200. Okay, so now we will check here. So this is first point of the line, that is called x-axis, and it lies on 60, and this is first point of the line that is y-axis, and it has 200 value. Similarly ending point of the line has x-axis 800 and 200 for the y point of the ending point of the line. In that way you can draw a line if you fix x-axis and y-axis, is also starting point and ending point. After that we have included here get ch, so that it can wait for our command until we do not press any key from the keyboard, it will wait for us. So if I compile, see, in that way you can draw your line. So I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, then must watch the second video in which we will draw a circle.